You are probably making one of these mistakes right after waking up. I will show you why this destroys your A1C and how to fix it in 5 seconds. Listen up, all you absolute fossils. I say that with the utmost respect. But if you have lived on this spinning rock for half a century, we need to have a very serious conversation. If you are over 50 years old right now, your metabolism is literally on life support. You are waking up every single morning and completely speedrunning metabolic decline. Your glucose control is absolutely cooked. Your energy aura is in the negatives. You are out here thinking you're doing everything right, but insulin resistance is creeping up on you like the ultimate final boss from Ohio. You are getting completely mogged by your own biology. Today we're going to talk about the 3 massive morning mistakes that are destroying your blood sugar. These are the blunders that are turning your metabolic engine into an absolute joke. Let us start with mistake number 1. Raw dogging naked carbohydrates for breakfast. This is the most beta move you can possibly make to start your day. You wake up, you stumble into the kitchen like a literal zombie. You have zero riz, and what is the first thing you do? You reach for a bowl of highly processed breakfast cereal, or you throw 2 slices of white bread into the toaster and slather them with sugary fruit jam. Or maybe you pour yourself a massive glass of orange juice, thinking it's healthy. Bro, are you actually serious right now? What is going on in your brain? Do you hate your pancreas? When you eat naked carbs on an empty stomach, your blood sugar absolutely skyrockets into the stratosphere. We are talking a massive vertical red line on the continuous glucose monitor. Your body goes into total panic mode. Your pancreas has to work overtime like a highly stressed minimum wage employee. It pumps out a massive tsunami of insulin to try and wrangle all that sugar floating in your blood. Let me explain the biology to you using terms you can actually understand. Imagine your cell is an exclusive nightclub. The glucose from your food is trying to get inside the club to party and give you energy. Insulin is supposed to be the VIP pass that gets the glucose past the bouncer. But because you are older and because you have been eating absolute garbage for 50 years, the bouncer is completely fed up. The bouncer is your cell membrane. The bouncer looks at the insulin VIP pass and literally throws it in the trash. The bouncer says no more. We are at full capacity. We do not want your glucose. That right there is insulin resistance. Now the glucose is stuck outside the club. The outside of the club is your bloodstream. The glucose gets angry. It starts causing absolute chaos. It starts breaking windows and starting fights. Your entire vascular system is getting completely wrecked by rogue sugar molecules. And because of this massive insulin spike, you experience a horrific crash. You know exactly what crash I'm talking about. It hits you at 11 in the morning. You feel like you got hit by a freight train. You cannot focus on your work. You are yawning excessively. You are craving a donut. Stop eating naked carbs. If you're going to eat carbohydrates, you need to dress them up. Put some protein on that plate. Throw some healthy fats in there. Eat a couple of eggs. Stop letting dry toast completely destroy your entire morning aura. Now let's move on to mistake number 2, the black coffee cortisol catastrophe. This one is going to heavily trigger a lot of you. You wake up, you haven't drank a single drop of actual water. You are severely dehydrated from breathing out moisture all night long. And what is the absolute first thing you put into your body? Black coffee. You are chugging bitter bean water on a completely empty, dry stomach. You think you are a pure sigma for doing this. False. You are an absolute NPC. You are destroying your hormones. When you wake up, your body naturally releases a hormone called cortisol. Cortisol is the stress hormone. It is the biological alarm clock that actually wakes you up and gets you out of bed. Having a morning cortisol peak is completely natural and necessary. But when you dump highly caffeinated, acidic coffee into an empty stomach while your natural cortisol is peaking, you create a massive biological explosion. You are sending your central nervous system into pure fight-or-flight mode. You are telling your brain that you are being actively chased by a grizzly bear. You are acting like you are fighting for your life in the gulag. And what does your body do when it thinks you are in mortal danger? It triggers your liver to take action. Your liver stores emergency energy in the form of glycogen. When that massive fake stress signal hits, your liver dumps all that stored glucose directly into your bloodstream. It thinks you need explosive physical energy to run away from danger. So even though you have not eaten a single calorie of food, Your blood sugar is spiking to the absolute moon. And because your blood sugar is spiking, your insulin has to spike to clean up the mess. You are literally creating insulin resistance using 0 calories. It is the most diabolical self-sabotage in human history. You are handing away your health for a cup of coffee. You need to stop this madness immediately. Hydrate first. Drink a massive glass of water with a little bit of sea salt. Wait at least 90 minutes after waking up before you even look at a coffee cup. Let your natural cortisol peak come down naturally. Protect your peace and protect your metabolic health. Let him cook, but not with coffee at 6 in the morning. Now, before we get to the absolute worst mistake of all, we need to talk about urgent damage control. If you have been making these morning mistakes for decades, your glucose control is already severely cooked. You are already in the trenches. You need an intervention. You need a physical solution to pull you out of this flop era. You need the ultimate cheat code for blood sugar management. I am talking about premium berberine. Listen to me very closely and do not skip this. Berberine is a natural plant compound that is literally going viral everywhere because it is nature's own metabolic rizzler. It actively targets and activates an enzyme in your body called AMPK. Think of AMPK as the master switch that turns your metabolism back on. It tells your cells to stop being stubborn bouncers and start letting the glucose inside again. It completely neutralizes insulin resistance. It forces your body to actually process sugar instead of storing it as stubborn belly fat. If you are dealing with those massive morning blood sugar spikes, if you are struggling to lose weight after 50, if you are constantly crashing and feeling like an exhausted zombie, you desperately need to add berberine to your daily routine. It is the exact physical product you need to solve this specific pain point. But you cannot just buy some sketchy powder from a random gas station. You need the real deal. You need to go to Amazon right now and get a high-quality, high-absorption berberine supplement. I literally did the work for you. I put a link in the video description for the exact premium berberine you need to buy. Do not wait on this. Check the description right now. Click the Amazon link. Have it delivered directly to your front door. Swallow it with your morning water. Watch your metabolic aura return to its absolute peak. You will be walking around with perfectly stabilized blood sugar, while everyone else around you is crashing and burning. Buy the berberine. Link in the description. It is a massive W for your longevity. All right, let us finish with mistake number 3, the circadian rhythm disaster, bed rotting and dodging the sun. This is the mistake that proves you are living like a literal cave goblin. You wake up. You stay horizontally paralyzed in your bed. You grab your phone. You immediately start doom scrolling. You are looking at a tiny glowing blue rectangle while sitting in a pitch-black room. You spend 45 minutes watching brain-numbing videos while your metabolism quietly begs for mercy. Here is the hardcore science that you need to understand. When you wake up, your brain still has melatonin floating around in it. Melatonin is the sleep hormone. As long as melatonin is active in your system, your pancreas is essentially asleep. It is completely clocked out. It is not ready to process food. It is not ready to manage your blood sugar. The only thing that clears out that melatonin and wakes up your metabolic machinery is bright, natural sunlight hitting your physical eyeballs. If you sit in a dark room staring at a phone, your brain thinks it is still the middle of the night. You are bathing your face in artificial blue light. Blue light is the ultimate deceiver. It completely scrambles your suprachiasmatic nucleus. That is a real biological term, by the way. Look it up. The suprachiasmatic nucleus is the master clock in your brain. It dictates every single hormonal rhythm in your body. By staring at your screen in the dark, you are literally gaslighting your master clock. You stay in a groggy, sleep-drunk state. And if you go and eat your breakfast while your brain still thinks it is 3 in the morning, your blood sugar response is going to be completely atrocious. You are eating food while your metabolic engine is turned off. Your insulin sensitivity is at its absolute lowest point of the entire 24-hour cycle. You are literally begging to get phantom taxed by diabetes. You need to touch grass. The absolute second you wake up, you need to drag your physical body out of that mattress. You need to walk outside. You need to let the real, actual sun hit your face for at least 10 to 15 minutes. No sunglasses, no windows blocking the rays, just pure, unadulterated photon energy hitting your retinas. This sends a massive, undeniable signal to your brain. It tells your master clock that the day has officially started. It clears out the lingering melatonin. It wakes up your pancreas. It optimizes your insulin sensitivity for the entire rest of the day. Stop hiding from the sky. Stop bedrotting like an absolute loser. Get up and absorb the sun like a pure sigma. If you are over 50, the game has fundamentally changed. You cannot just coast through life eating whatever you want and doing whatever you want. Your body does not have the same bounce back it did when you were 22 years old. You have to be strategic. You have to be smart. You have to stop raw-dogging naked carbohydrates and sending your glucose into orbit. You have to stop chugging black coffee on an empty stomach and spiking your stress hormones into the danger zone. You have to stop doom-scrolling in the dark and start getting outside into the morning light to set your clock. And most importantly, you absolutely need to click the link in the description and get yourself that premium berberine from Amazon to fix the metabolic damage you have already done over the last few decades. Do not let insulin resistance turn you into a helpless NPC. Take control of your biology right now. Reclaim your metabolic aura before it is permanently gone. Share this exact video with another older person whose metabolism is currently cooked. They need to hear this truth. Like the video. Subscribe to the channel so you do not miss out on more survival tactics. Stop being a beta and start optimizing your glucose. Now go drink a massive glass of water, step outside into the sunlight, and order your berberine. We are officially done here. This material is for educational and strategic purposes only. It does not constitute financial or medical advice. Consult qualified professionals before altering your routines.